Hi. Yes, we got here.
Yeah,
we got lost. We made it.
Hello ma'am, sir. Welcome po to City Road in Private Villas po. Dito po tayo ma'am sa may Sakari Villa po.
Ah, okay. Yung sa gitna ata kami. Sige. Close ito.
Wow!
Ganun. So nice.
It's a bonfire area. Is it a tour or a tour?
We're gonna tour lang. And then we're gonna be here on January.
There's a swimming pool.
Yes. Ocular pa lang to, baka bigla kang tumalon dyan, ha? Uy. Go to mami, go to mami. Dancing ka na. Kayo pa si Ma'am Isabel, ano? So nice. Kuya, let's go inside muna.
Let's play game. I'm almost tall as you now.
No, not
I'm
yet.
until your shoulder.
Not as tall. Far pa. Actually, ba't tinubad mo pa yung... Ay, hubarin po ba? Sige, okay lang.
Ay, okay lang, sige po.
Okay lang. So nice.
Tapos ma'am, dito po yung kitchen po natin.
Mami, ito yung gusto nating salamin, oh. Pagawa rin tayo.
Gamit na rin po ma'am, pero kung may mga kids, maganda sa mga po sa amin.
Nang.
As dito ma'am, ito po yung CR namin. Dalawang CR po ma'am.
Come here, boys. Come on muna. Come with us. Ano yan, bingo? Come, Axel. Axel.
Tapos ito po yung family bedroom po namin. Kasya po dito is ano ma'am.
Go kay mami.
Is nakabukod lang.
Go kay mami.
Andyan po pala. Nandito po sa side po.
I go. Bunk bed. Is this our bed? Is this our room? Is this our cabin?
Bunk bed.
Oh no, baby! I'll be here in January.
No, you're sleepwalking eh.
When?
You're sleepwalking, you're gonna fall.
And the seniors will stay here.
Yeah,
Because they
Papa.
cannot go upstairs.
Too high.
Sa second floor naman pa.
There's where the legal.
Let's go upstairs. Is that for the bingo? Is there a number?
For the sliding.
Oh, magpapabingo si Mama. There.
Yeah, that's how you put it back.
This is for here. That's
Go.
Okay, let's go up na.
not your fan.
Nandiyan po yung long table namin. Diyan po yung sa video okay ma'am. May Netflix din po.
Okay.
Tapos may wifi din po kami.
Let's go upstairs.
Baby slippers. Baby naman po sa second floor namin. Ito po yung hagdan namin.
Yeah.
Hold Mommy kasi we're gonna go up.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Careful kuya ha. Shower dyan sa baba.
Shower area po dyan.
Bago swim.
Hindi na makasal sa loob.
Oh, there's a one.
Come back so we can open.
So nice. Hindi natin nabot sunset. Naligaw kasi tayo.
Love this.
Po sayang po. Kalulubog lang po.
Another sofa.
I saw a spider.
It's okay. Small lang.
Kuya, here. Let's start here.
Yeah. Oh, easy, mommy.
Ito po yung bed namin ma'am.
These are not posture.
Laki.
Oh, cute.
May CR din po dyan. Oh. Ayan po.
Wait, this is stairs?
Yeah, you can go up there.
Should I be here?
Wow, pag maliligo ka, oh. Sarap maligo dito, may view.
Can I be here?
No, you're gonna fall.
I want here, Daddy. I want here. Daddy, I want to sleep and I want here.
Hmm.
Oh no, the bed sheet.
Come on. Madudumi ang bed sheets.
Ito lang po. Naka-overlooking po niya. Ayan siya.
Daming room.
Why is no
Daming pwede higaan pala talaga.
why is there a sign
Kuya, there's a pool na, oh.
that please do not touch?
That's January 10.
Yeah, this is nice.
Oh, nice na, oh.
She's dancing.
Maganda pa rin yung view kahit sa gitna.
Dancing ka, baby? I don't know.
Viewing po tayo dyan sa harap. Viewing din po tayo sa gilid.
Yeah, sa gilid maganda.
May salamin ba? Mga ano.
Hindi lang. Pero nakasagad ba dito?
Ay, hindi po.
Hindi talaga.
Madami
Kasi hindi
saksakan.
niyo po may close po yung door mamaya.
Ayan.
Malaki yung bed.
Hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy. Welcome to my another hotel.
Another hotel. Ayan ka na naman. Alam ka na naman.
You like it?
You like it here? We're gonna go back here in January, okay?
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 With all our families.
With everybody.
With everybody.
I can't reach the wall. Please join clicking.
I'm not sure.
No.
Come on.
Are you gonna go home?
Go down. We will eat sa restaurant. Come on.
Come on, let's go to the restaurant naman.
This is so nice.
So nice here, oh. Lalo in the morning, kuya, on sunset, oh. Sayang, hindi natin inabutan.
Early morning.
Diyan po yung sunset natin, sir. Diyan po sa Laguna de Villa.
Oo nga, sayang talaga hindi natin inabutan. Ay. Let's go down here. Hold on, Axel, ah.
Yep. I'm holding on. Whoa! 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 There's a new population of Philippine eagles now.
There's a lot of birds nga here, eh.
Yeah. Kasi dati, the Philippine eagle population is decreasing.
Ah, here, oh.
Yeah, it's too hot. Hot. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
That's our bonfire, oh, look. Go down there. Oh, kuya, go down. We can eat here also if you want.
I think it's so far away, Daddy. It's so high. Oh, oh.
Ah, mami, okay ka na dito. I'll check the rooms. Oh, nice, oh, ganda, oh. Let's go inside, oh, with the lights. No, we're not gonna swim pa. We're gonna take a look at that. Ah, ganda pag may ilaw na. Kanina kasi walang ilaw, eh. So nice.
Mommy, I
Akit pa kayo sa taas o ako na lang? Ako na lang. Sige. Hi boys! Maganda pag may ilaw na. May ano rin dito, sa hagdan.
May ilaw din dito, sir. Kaya lang, may yung extension po niya.
Sabi yung fog, ah. So may 5 pang mattresses. Ganda. Tapos yung view sa labas. It's nice. Ayun po. Ang ganda ng pool. Axel, let's go to the restaurant naman. There. Who wants to eat na? I'm hungry.
Yeah. What food did they got?
Let's check. Come on. Go, go, go. I like it here.
Daddy, can we just walk?
Go.
There?
Yeah, go.
That's the restaurant?
Mm-hmm.
Daddy, there's another.
Oh, careful.
And wait. And shout.
Oh, other side, other side, other side.
Other side.
Other side. Kuya, you want to take a picture on the wings there? Go. Oh, it's Christmas. Go, 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 go. Go to the playground. Go. Go. Not too much, not too much. Oh, go.
That was palagi by Sir. A piece of
Axel, go.
Para sa kanilang muling pagbabate. Yeah. Sir, Lika, may kanta ka sa akin pag gusto mo. At hello sa mga guests natin na bagong dating. Kinamang, hello po. Good evening. Mag-away tayo. At miserable pinagmamasdan. Lagi na lang matigas
Use the stick.
bigla may maramdaman. Good evening po. Di ka man bago sa paligid, palihim ko na sa yakap ko't lambing. Sa bawat pagbabago, di mapigilan ang bigas ng damdamin. Walang sagot.
Goodbye, friends.
Oh boy, playground pa. Sus naman. Did you enjoy? Did you enjoy here? Okay, let's go home.
I want to go to Ate Color.